Okay, when I'm not fishing, I do have other things to do. I live on 5 wooded acres and I need some good equipment to take care of it. So you might have noticed there's a Husky chainsaw sitting here. I'm going to get to why that is, but let's start with these first, and then we'll get to that. So I picked up this FS70 weed whacker last year. It's been great, lots of power, no issues. Now, it didn't come with a blade kit, and the book said that if it didn't, you're not to run a blade on it. Now, when I went to the dealer, they said you can, but it could void the warranty. Well, it's a $280 weed whacker, so if I destroy it, I'll just buy a new weed whacker. So, but it did good. I chopped down a bunch of briars, multiflora rows, no issues whatsoever. I'm really happy with it. So I had a BR600 blower for about 12 years. Ran the pants off of it, never had it serviced, and I decided to take it in and have it tuned up since it's never been done. And at the same time, I took my Stihl MS 250 chainsaw and said do the same thing. It was leaking a little bit of oil. I think the filler cap might have been broke, but I just figured I'd get it out of the way. Coming into fall, everything would be good to go. Now, they told me it would be like 2 weeks, which turned into like 3 weeks. Well, I really needed my blower, and when I called, they said they hadn't got parts yet. So I ended up just going in and buying the 700, gave them a 600. They gave me like 150 bucks for it, and away I went. When another week or two goes by, and now it's Labor Day, I need a chainsaw because my wife wants to have a fire. I don't have any wood cut. So I hurried up to get in there before they closed at noon and realized that they were closed the whole entire weekend. Chainsaw is there, not fixed. Now all of a sudden, having a Stihl, when you gotta get them fixed, isn't that great? So I went down over the hill to Ace Hardware and picked up this Husky, which is very close in size to the chainsaw that I had. And I don't know if it's Stihl's fault or it's the dealer that I was working with to get these fixed that had issue with getting parts, or they were just backed up. But it would have been nice if they would have told me that this is going to be 4 to 6 weeks and not 2 weeks. So I needed a chainsaw. That's what I got. I'm kind of disappointed it went this way, and all told, I think I was looking at like $175 to $200 in tune-ups and repair with the blower and the chainsaw, and it ended up costing me about $700 and some worth of new equipment. That blower, this chainsaw, which I'm gonna fire up and see how it does. So my first impressions, it's definitely a lot smoother as far as vibration than the Stihl MS 250. And let's hope if I have to get it worked on, it won't take 4 to 6 weeks.